Just once, just for a second, listen.
I don't think any public events that happens can define every single person that's here as an individual.
Turn off that blinder you've created just for 1 second, and that person that you've made an assumption about.
The idea of allowing students at the high school level to experience other campuses. There's so many stereotypes and myths about certain schools.
And in sitting down and having that discussion, we came to the idea that, well, what if there was a way for us to spend time there?
The people here that don't look like me, it's pretty much one demographic of people. So yeah, it's not like Rickers. Rickers is a different demographic of people.
Well, I mean, I knew I wasn't really going to fit in. Being a tall white kid, I didn't really think I was going to be the regular person at Rickers, but it turns out there's a lot of people like me. And on the inside, I think everybody here is pretty much the same as me.
My experience at Sale has been really great. They are different, but they're very welcoming and they embrace themselves, which a lot of people don't do at other schools.
For a lot of high schools, those stereotypes kind of just get planted in your head. It's a lot different than what I thought. Everyone is so nice. It's interesting how they run things, because they run things so differently than we do, but they still run them in such like an efficient and like progressive way.
You have to know that everybody isn't the same. Everybody has different mentalities, everybody has different purposes in life. So experience the situation first and then make your judgment.
I believe developing stereotypes is just natural behavior for humans. But it's just important to remember how you were raised, or remember how, you know, from the basics, from elementary school, how you were taught to be kind to everyone.
I've noticed a lot of people are like really different, which is really good. But I've also seen like the division with it. So one of my biggest goals, like one of my life goals, is to unify people despite our differences, and just to like unify in love and keep doing good stuff for the world.
Thank you. I love that response. The reason why I said that.
If even this small group is able to come to a realization to better understand how to see beyond a stereotype, that's enough for me to feel a sense of accomplishment, because we can carry that wherever we go from here.